everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing very good at your phones, and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. And I'm back with another chapter for you. And today's chapter is about shapes. I know you have learned about shapes in class nursery, in class LKG also. But in today's class, I will tell you about a new shape. Are you all excited? Very good. Let's start the class. Okay, so these shapes we will learn today. Are you all ready? So sit very carefully and watch the video. First shape is square. It's very simple for you. Yes, square. Square has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 equal sides. Square has 4 equal sides. Okay, next is circle. Circle is round in shape, right? Like a sun. Sun is also round. Like a chapati. Chapati is also round. Like a coin. Coin is also round. So there are many things which is in circle shape. Okay. Next is crescent. This is a new shape that I'm telling you about. Crescent. Crescent is a shape of a moon. When moon is like this in shape, like half moon, it is called crescent shape. Like on Eid. Eid, you see this side of moon. Okay. This shape is called crescent shape. It's only seen in the moon. Okay. Next is heart. It's a heart shape. Now, can you all make a heart with me? Yes, like this. We make the heart like this. Okay. So it's a heart shape. Next is triangle. Triangle has three sides. Count 1, 2, 1, 3. Triangle has three sides. Next is pentagon. I'm not sure that everyone is familiar with this shape. It is called pentagon, and pentagon has 5 sides. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Next is rectangle. Now, rectangle is also having 4 sides, but in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See, this side and this sides are equal. Then this side and this side is equal. Okay. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, not all 4 sides. Okay. So please be careful with the square and the rectangle. Next is the star. I know every one of you is familiar with the shape. It's a star. Okay. Now next is our activity. Just quickly grab your pencils and we will start the activity. So there is a pentagon first because it has 5 sides. So it's a pentagon. Now see, which of these things is having 5 sides? A bread? No. A heart? No. A house? Yes, it has 5 sides. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will match this with this house. Okay. Next is triangle shape. Now, which of these things is triangle in shape? A pizza slice. A slice of pizza is of a triangle shape. Next is a circle shape. Which is this? Is in circle shape? A wheel. Match the circle with the wheel. Next is square. Now, a slice of bread is in square shape. Okay. Next is a star shape. So this toy is in the star shape. And the last one is heart. So this pillow, this cute heart pillow is in the heart shape. We will match this with the heart pillow. Okay. So like this we have done the activity. Okay class, that's it for today. In today's class we have learned about shape, and 2 shapes were new for you. First one was crescent and next one was pentagon. So please remember these shapes and keep practicing. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.